Let's take you straight to the top contenders, the Kesineni brothers, who are fighting it out for Vijayawada. Our first stop is at YSRCP candidate Kesineni Srinivasa's campaign, and in this blistering heat, he's out meeting voters.
How's your campaign going? Is it feeling a little odd to be in blue and green now?
No, it's very vibrant. Actually, when compared to last two times, this campaign is very vibrant and people are almost ready to vote for Mr. Jagannath Reddy and YSRCP. So I think I have that positive vibe.
Okay.
So the campaign is very vibrant.
I think Vijayawada has made headlines because of the contest it's seeing right now between you and your brother. Take us through what really happened, sir. How has it come down to you fighting against your brother now, who's in the TDP? You were with the TDP and you switched over.
See, I didn't switch over actually. Chandrababu Naidu denied me a ticket. He wanted whoever the candidate now to be his MP candidate. When he denied me the ticket, then I resigned for the party. Then Mr. Jagannath Reddy invited me to work along with him together for the good of the state. Then I accepted.
Why do you think you were denied a ticket by the TDP? Why was it given to your brother instead?
See, that question you have to ask Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, because I was with him in his troubled times, when he was facing a lot of trouble, and the party is in a lot of difficulties. And if I have to switch the party, I will shift to the ruling party soon after the election, where Chandrababu Naidu lost very badly and Jagannath Reddy won with thumping majorities. But I didn't do that. I was with him, supporting him and the party in the most troublesome times of the party after the party is started. So that question, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu should answer why he denied me the ticket.
Did you ever seek an explanation though from him?
Not required. See, when he denies me a ticket, I'm a public person, and I won the second time anti-Chandrababu Naidu and in the Jagan tsunami, and people of Vijayawada gave me that respect and love. They voted for me. They thought that I am the best person to be the MP second time. So that is I think that the question, whichever you asked, you should ask Chandrababu Naidu and the party.
How does it feel, though, squaring off against your brother? You know, I came from Kadapa, where there's a different kind of family feud playing out, and now in Vijayawada, where there's a different kind, where brother versus brother is happening. How does that feel, though?
See, in politics, everyone will have aspirations. But I think party should give tickets for the right persons, not for the cheaters, not for the criminals, not for the land grabbers.
Are you referring to your brother?
Yeah, definitely I'm referring to the brother.
You're calling him a cheater, criminal, land grabber?
No, from now I have presented recently in a Meet the Press, I have presented a 1,000 pages document regarding his cheating, land grabbing, and all these criminal activities. If you want, we'll share a soft copy with you also. So all his lifetime, we have parted in 1999 as a family, as business and also properties. And from that time, I know he is not a principled man. He is not an ethically, morally a fit person for the society. That's why I distanced myself from him. From last 99 June 24th, we parted.
Okay.
So from that time, I'm distanced from him. And before I became the MP, he came to me telling that he got bankrupted and he doesn't have money to pay the school fees of his children and pay the rent also. I again accommodated him in my own house. Then when I became the MP, he started a lot of criminal activities here using my name. And he printed 10-20 parliament stickers of my vehicle, duplicate stickers. He printed himself and misused it, saying that it is MP Kesineni Nanik doing all sorts of land grabbing in Hyderabad and Vijayawada. So he is basically a criminal and a land grabber. That's why I don't think him as competition, and people also know about him. And recently also after his nomination, I showed them the affidavit he filed, nomination affidavit, and also 1,000-page document where all his criminal activities, where he cheated in pre-launching offers, where Telangana RERA has fined him, all the fake MP stickers he used, along with proofs, not just vaguely. I presented it along with proofs with 1,000 pages.
So with all of this and the allegations that you're leveling against your brother, Is there any question?
Not my brother. See,
Okay.
20 years back, I parted with him. So he's my ex-brother.
Okay, your ex-brother.
Yeah.
So then I'm guessing there's no question of burying the hatchet, of him coming back home.
Talk about the MP candidate TDP Vijayawada, that's all.
Okay, so there's no personal relations before that.
Last 25 years, there's no personal relationship, but with a Pakka plan, he came to me before I became the MP. He tried to do some sort of criminal activities and land grabbing activities on my name, and I sent him out.
The last time you won, sir, was it because of KC Srinivas? Was it because of the Telugu Desam party tag?
When in the 19? So 19, if you see, Chandrababu Naidu's son lost in the neighboring constituency, Mangalgiri. If it is the party, he would have won, no? So party lost very badly. Even if you take the Vijayawada parliamentary constituency, this is a simultaneous election, you know, for the MP and the MLA. 6 of the MLAs lost. Only 1 MLA in the Vijayawada East won. And I won as an MP. That means you have to tell me whether it's my personal strength or the party strength.
You think it's personal for sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Because this is a combined election also. We have the MLA of Vijayawada East, Avinash. How confident are you of this general election going to YSRCP? Because everyone's saying that, anti-incumbency is there on the ground.
No, there is no anti-incumbency on the ground. Like CM Jagan Mohan sir, welfare schemes and the development which are done in Vijayawada, definitely we are going to win the 7 constituencies and the Parliament of Nanigarh.
So all this, everywhere you're going, is it a joint campaign for general and assembly?
Yeah, generally from last few times, both MLA and MP election are combined in Andhra. Every time we go together only. Okay. And generally I join the MLA candidates along with their campaign because we can't do separately.
Correct. So 2 birds, 1 stone.
See, I have 7 MLA constituencies. So I'll be joining the MLA candidates in their campaign, and so I'll be rotating 7 days each, 1 day, 1 constituency.
Okay, interesting. 2 birds, 1 stone, like I said. All the very best to you and all the very best to you, sir, as well. Thank you very much. I'm going to be speaking to your ex-brother also shortly.
So, ex-wife and ex-wife. We are diverse.